This week I am testing the Hyundai Kona. This is a small 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfoSecure. In the back of the Hyundai Kona there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They are not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, and they're nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I can install two InfoSecure child seats back here really nice and comfortably. I have got the Adapt More rear-facing infant capsule and the forward-facing InfoSecure Achieve More. Now they fit really comfortably, and when it comes to legroom we could easily fit about a 175 centimetre driver in front of the rear-facing Adapt More capsule. You can learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Kona is good. There is a fold down in the central seat back with two cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in them too. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. There is a phone tray and two USB-C sockets in the back of the central console box, and the door bins in the back are a bit small, but they will hold a disposable water bottle. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Kona, which is fantastic for keeping passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. Storage in the front is good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and either side of them is little spaces for phones and things like that. There is a phone charging tray in front of the gear lever, and you've got USB-C sockets and the 12-volt socket there too. And the central console box, you lift up the arm, there's a little tray in the top and a space underneath. The glove box is a great size in here. That will hold my purse and iPad with the manual. And the door bins are a good size in the front. They will hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit in them too. The media system in the Hyundai Kona has changed, which is a shame because I absolutely loved their previous media system. It was just so easy to use. This one is still pretty good, although it takes some getting used to. Pretty easy to navigate around. You've got your sound in here, and so you can change everything there. Change the position, which is handy when you've got kids. They've just lost those easy one-touch things that were loved for families. So yeah, you've got lots of things in here that you can change. You can also do the climate in the media system as well as just down on the dash cluster here. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great to access your phone. When you put it into reverse, the camera images are lovely and clear. You can mute the parking sensors, turn them off down in the central console, and you can change your camera views on the top right of the screen too. You've also got the camera button down in the central console, so you can put that camera on and off at any time that you want as well. The boot door of the Hyundai Kona opens and closes manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty will hold 11 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 2 shopping bags, or a small to medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL, which is a one-handed forward stroller, making parenting easier for families. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller fits with 7 shopping bags. The Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller with bassinet fits with 3 shopping bags. And the Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 7 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller.
The Hyundai Kona is a nice little car to drive. It's nice and simple and ample for what you need for nip about with your family. Now the steering's really nice and light in here, and the turning circle is very small too, which makes parking and manoeuvring in school and supermarket car parks really nice and easy. Now I have found it's a little bit revvy uphill, but apart from that it's a nice drive. The visibility is good in here. Only fitting those 2 child seats in the back, you can see really nice and easily out of the back. But if you do want more visibility, there is a button down in the central console, so you can put a camera on in the media screen. Now, I have found the drive to be a little bit beepy. It does beep at you every time you're over the speed limit, or to let you know to pay more attention to the road as well. Apart from that, it's a good, fun and nippy little car. There are 2 nice little features to the Kona that I've noticed. So the dash at one end has got a magnetic board like in the Ioniq 5. So you can pin magnets and notes and things there, which is quite good fun with your kids. And you can also start the engine just from the key fob alone, which is quite a nice thing to do to get the aircon running and cool it down, especially on a hot summer's day. So to sum up with the Hyundai Kona, it does make a great family baby drive. You can fit those 2 InfoSecure child seats nicely in the back, and legroom is pretty good too. The boot space is excellent in here. You can easily fit the Leclerc baby 1-hand fold stroller in the boot with room for your shopping too. The drive is good and the media system and cameras are excellent.